I'm Sean Frame, and I'm running for Congress in Congressional District 4 here in California because I know the people here and I care about these communities deeply. We have a representative who doesn't believe in government, who doesn't think government should be involved in anything, and that has negative consequences for the people that live here. And when it comes to solving the problems we all face, like wildfire resiliency, healthcare, or good jobs, or education, nothing has gotten done for years. Somebody who lives outside the district can't possibly explain who we are and what we need. I understand what working people, families in our district are facing because I live here. I'm a school board member, I'm a small business owner, I'm a father. It's not going to be an easy job getting to Congress from here, but I'll tell you, it's worth it. This district is one of the most beautiful districts in this entire nation. It has Yosemite and Kings Canyon and Sequoia, Lake Tahoe. We have a story to tell, and I think I'm the person to tell that story. I know what matters to us in this district, and I'm going to take our message to DC and represent all of us.